today I'm gonna be showing you how to make these out of this world pumpkin spice loukoumades. If you guys want to see how quick and easy they are, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off by taking this cup of water and warm it up. There we go. You want your water to be between 105 and 110 degrees. You could use a thermometer if you like, or you could just touch it with your finger, and you want it to be pretty warm to the touch, but make sure it's not too hot, like 120 or higher, because then it'll kill the yeast. Now go ahead and add some dry active yeast to this warm water, and you want a little bit of sugar so that it can feed off. Give it a little mix. And we're just gonna wait 10 minutes for this yeast to become all nice and foamy. We know that it's nice and active and ready for action. We're gonna be taking this yeast and adding some pumpkin puree. Go ahead and mix all that pumpkin into all that yeast water. And look at this color. How wonderful is this orange? So in a bowl, just add 2 cups of flour. And this is a little bit of salt to bring out the flavor, and put all of your pumpkin yeast water into the flour and mix it up. The pumpkin really makes these nice and moist. They're just so delicate because each little donut hole is fried in the oil, so it has a nice crispy edge. And the best part of all is that honey drizzle on top. Oh, and not to forget the pumpkin spice. You want to cover this with a little towel and just let it rest for 1 hour. Here we have some that I made the day before, and it's just been out for it's been about 2 hours, and this is what it looks like. Touch it. See how it's just it's not dense, it's nice and light and airy. So when making these loukoumades, you could either put them with a spoon into the hot oil, but I'm gonna put them in a pastry bag just to make it a little more easier to work with. And here we go. Who's excited to be making these loukoumades today? If you guys are new here on my channel, you have to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I post quick and easy recipes every single week, like this one today. Look at that, the oil is hot. The temperature reads, oh my gosh, I have to lower it a little. It actually is almost to 400. Squeeze it. Whoa, this is so scary. You know when you're frying, the first one is always the scariest. Nice and golden brown. Little rack I have here. I have the cooling rack upside down just to catch that oil. Look how great these look. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more inside. So much fun to make. If you have a large crowd of people, be sure to make these as a dessert, because not only do they fry up so quickly, they are also so cheap to make. I mean, you saw that. 2 cups of flour and a little bit of yeast. I mean, that's pennies upon serving. The smell in here is unbelievable. I don't know why, this is the same ingredients as any other fried dough, donuts or any other fried dessert, churros even. But there's something that is just giving me this distinctive smell like I'm making loukoumades. All right, the last batch is finished. I'm gonna take these out. These are pretty big loukoumades, if I don't say so myself. I made them pretty big, but you can make these a lot smaller, and they'll fry up faster. These took about a minute per side. And look at that, they are ready for the topping. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on a little serving plate, and we're gonna drizzle these with some honey, a little sprinkle of pumpkin pie spice, and instead of walnuts, I'm gonna be using pumpkin seeds. You can make a little honey syrup if you want, but for me, I just really prefer my loukoumades to just have good old traditional honey on top. And then I have my pumpkin pie spice. We gotta get a little more honey in there, just because these need to be nice and juicy. Look at that, guys. These are definitely one of the quickest desserts and one of the best desserts. I kid you not, you will not have anything as delicious as these pumpkin spice loukoumades. All right, you guys, and now for the best part. I mean, look at these. I could just make an air freshener like this. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. To be honest with you, I've never actually ate these while I was in Greece, but I have had them at Greek festivals here in the US. So we are gonna try them. Look at all that sauce. It's just oozing down. Our first bite, here we go. That was a mouthful. You know what? I should have took a bite and then showed you what the inside looks like. So let's try this again. Okay, do you see the inside? The inside is just like the most beautiful pumpkin donut hole you will ever try in your life. I mean, look at that. It's so just like, I don't know how to describe it besides heavenly. It literally, like if I were to imagine what you would eat in heaven, it would be this. The perfect Greek Loukoumades pumpkin spice style. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, you have to subscribe to my channel like I was saying, because I post unique recipes every single week. If you guys try this out, like especially for some Thanksgiving dinners, you must leave your comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.